hurts. Ow. Ugh. Hopefully I have medicine somewhere. But it's alright. Just need a bit more sleep. Oh, good old. What is this? What's going on? Why can't I sleep? By the way, what's the time right now? Oh, it's 11 o'clock? We need to make food. Perfect. Let me go cook my food. Hey Petunia, did you just wake up? Yeah, and it's raining. It's pouring. What? It's not pouring in the house. It's raining cats and dogs though. Did you make soup? Yeah. Hey Petunia, I think you're way too late. You just woke up? Yeah, what's wrong? We already woke up and we were calling you Petunia, Petunia. Petunia, wake up. You're late. Petunia, wake up. You're late. Petunia, wake up. I was asleep. Yes, and you are so lazy. We're starving. Cook quickly. So rude that you cook the food. I won't do that. See how hard it is to cook? They don't even care about me. Well, I'll get back to my soup. So Ella, it's pouring cats and dogs here. Wanna go check it out? Yeah, let's go. Well, I'll go first. Okay. Oh, torrential rainfall here. Yay! Woohoo! Oh, so cold. I better run inside. Oh, it's so cold out here. Must tell Nancy too. This is after the torrential rainfall. There are beautiful flowers all around. This is a fruit which is medicine for cancer. Hey Nancy, I just walked outside and it's pouring. Let me go see. No, it's extremely cold out there. Well, you need a BB. For what? Fashion? No. Like snow. Well, it's winter. It's summer. Yeah, that's very good for summer, but not good for this Saturday if it rains. Oh, you're talking about the beach? Yeah. We'll go tomorrow. Tomorrow? Really? Yeah. Did the captain say we're going tomorrow? Oh, they're in front of Petunia. Yes. So let me go tell her. Petunia? Yeah? We're going to the beach tomorrow. What? Really? Yeah. Gonna be a lot of fun. Yay, then let's go tomorrow if you would say. Yeah, Captain said so. That's a very good idea. Oh, what's that awful smell? Huh? Your cakes are they're burning. Oh, let me go check on them. Oh no, her cakes are really burning. Yes. Run away. So much smoke. Oh, my cakes.
No.
Rocks now. Look at them. They're horrible. Oh, what do I do? The girl might like. Let's I don't think so. Now my cakes are all burnt. My cakes are burnt. Now what will we eat? Oh, why are you crying, my friend? Don't cry. Come on, yeah. You're the most best friend I've ever had. Let's go. Yeah, wipe your tears. Don't you cry. We are here for you. Okay. Now throw these cakes in the trash can. Oops. Burnt cakes, not for now. There's a trash can. Take 1 and 2. We don't need this. Now let's make good cakes. Come, I'll help you. Oh, really? Great. Yeah, and these things will be at the side. Now there we go. Fresh, delicious cakes. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Now, let's take your soup and the other food. Yes, I'll bring the soup. Oops, the chair. Stuck to my dress. Here's the soup. And the other food. Yay! Girls, come here, let's eat food. Breakfast is ready? Yep. That's great. Let's eat. Oops. Slippery floor. You cleaned the floor very well. Oh, thanks. I helped her too. Yeah, teamwork makes the dream work.
Yay!
Now let me eat some delicious food. Yay, this is a feast. And your cakes look delicious. Yeah, we made them. Uh-huh. Ooh, they do look good. Let's eat. The rice is delicious. Yeah, and I forgot the bowl. It's okay. I'll take the bowl. One for you. And one for you. Oh, delicious. Yeah, so what are we going to have for dinner? I wonder. What about shellfish? Say shellfish? No. Okay. Some soup for you. Soup for you. And now some for you. Perfect. Yeah, this shell bowl is my favorite. This bowl is also good. Yeah. Where did you buy these bowls from? They're amazing. Yeah. Today was a nice day, but mostly a cooking disaster for Katrina. Yeah. Well, let's see at night what we can see. Yep, shellfish. Not shellfish, it's shellfish. Or should I say shell? Can I do that? Of course I can. Yeah, I'll just say fish. No! Ha 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 ha. Never mind. It's just food, okay? You're so funny. Yeah, now let's eat. These cakes are yummy. Yeah, I tasted them. So let's have another cake. Yummy. Are they scrumptious? Scrumptious. Now some rice. Yep, carbs must be there in our body. Yep. Let's have some oats. More for babies. Yeah. That's for us, right? You say, just kidding, we can have them too, but I hate oats. Oh, you should have told me. Yeah. You'll eat all the strawberries, I know that. Yep, that's gonna happen right now. Oops, only 3 left. Nothing left. Yeah. Oops. It's left. Oh, give me some. Oops, I stole some. Oh, want some tissues? No thanks, I'll just go wash my clothes. But will you wear them? Oh, I'll take some tissues then. Okay, I'm back. Want some more? Yeah. Oh, I'll get it for you. Oh, where did she go? I don't know. Well, I'll say your food is really tasty. Yeah. When I made it, it wasn't good. When you made it, it wasn't good. But when we did it together, it's tasty. I'm sure I'll be back and we'll finish eating. Yeah. Good girls, I'm back. There's some more. Yeah, thanks.